Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you the best proxy for school Chromebook. Filter Bypass is a free and reliable proxy website designed to help you access restricted websites securely and privately. Here's a quick overview of its key features and functionality. It ensures your browsing data remains private and secure. Automatically retrieves the SSL secured version of non-SSL websites to enhance safety and confidentiality. It offers a convenient Chrome extension for quick and easy access to restricted websites and eliminates the need to manually navigate to the proxy website. You can use it to bypass regional restrictions or internet filters, accessing content blocked on your region or securing your browsing sessions, especially on public networks like school Chromebooks. It is free and all features are available without any cost. Just install it and enjoy. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.